All right, 12 o'clock, good afternoon, happy lunchtime. Welcome to another session of Lunchtime Bites with Pat here from Your Land. We're going to keep it short and sweet today, just like our guest, award-winning copper finance business owner, Vinay.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming. Pleasure to have you.
Thank you for the invite, Pat. Always a pleasure to be with you guys, and
Amazing.
Looking forward to this session.
Vinay, tell me a bit about yourself. What do you do? What's copper finance?
So look, we are a mortgage broking business based in Melbourne. I'm the director of Copper Finance, and what we do is we specialize in helping first home buyers and first-time property investors achieve their property goals. So we are basically mortgage brokers who mortgage loans for our clients.
Amazing. Okay, so on that, what is a mortgage broker?
Look, a typical mortgage broker is someone who mortgages loans for their clients. So we are not associated with a particular lender as such. We have got pools of lenders. So we don't work, a mortgage broker will not work for one bank or will not just represent one bank, but he or she, they will have a pool of different lenders whom they can go to. So what a good mortgage broker does is, and that's what we do is we sit down with our clients. We first understand what their goals are, what their financial situation is, and what is the long-term, short-term goal. We put that into perspective, and then we choose a lender which is going to be the most beneficial for them to help them with their property goal, and that's the lender we then recommend to the client. And we also then provide explanation on why we chose that particular lender for them. And once the client is happy, we then do everything for them. So a mortgage broker does everything for the client from start to finish, interviewing the client, understanding their financial position, asking them the right questions, and selecting the right bank for them, and helping them with their mortgage loan from start to finish. And one more thing I would like to add is a good mortgage broker just doesn't stop there. What we do is we also keep in touch with our clients once they have settled on their property to ensure that they are still at a good interest rate, and we do regular health checks on their home loan, making sure that yes, they are paying their mortgages on time, and how can they benefit, and giving them strategies on how they can pay off their loans quicker as well. So it's after sales services also. That's what we provide, and that's what we are really proud of.
Amazing. So that kind of flows on to my next question. What can a broker do for a client, for you, that a bank can't do?
Look, when you go into a bank, you will head into a bank, one of the big fours. The person who's going to be sitting across you is only going to provide you with their product, and they might be able to, the bank will have their product, and there might be products within their products. But when a mortgage broker comes to us, we've got a vast, list of different lenders which have got different products, different rates, etc. So there are many things which we calculate, coming from financial, the interest rates, how much will it cost, setting up cost. If lender's mortgage insurance is involved, what will be the lender's mortgage insurance? So a good mortgage broker has got, because we've got a pool of lenders, you're not then just stuck with one particular lender and one product. So it gives the client the flexibility and different options in going to a mortgage broker who can then help them with providing them with a very competitive bank.
Yeah, amazing. So we sell off the plan. Yep. So is there a place for a mortgage broker in an off the plan purchase for a client?
100%. Off the plan purchases are pretty popular at the moment, because as we all know that properties which are 10 to 12 kilometers, even 15 kilometers from the cities are fairly expensive. And especially when a first homeowner wants to buy their property, sometimes they might not have a big deposit saved, but they might have enough money to put in a deposit towards an off the plan purchase, like a block of land. We do that quite a lot. I've got a lot of clients whom we help with off the plan purchases, and then later down the track, when the land settles, help them with the construction loan as well. So what we tell our clients is we sit down with our clients, and based on the current market conditions, we identify whether it is feasible for them at that particular point of time. Look, future, we don't know what it is, how will it be in a year's time or whatever. But what we do is we do say, yes, if you're going to look to buy a block of land, if you've got X amount of dollars now, what should be your end goal when the block of land is ready? So we tell them the pros and the cons around it, but the main thing is understanding their financial position, whether they can afford it or not. Yeah. And that's what we do. So yes, of course, there is an opportunity here because people can buy, like I bought my first property off the plan. And by the time it titled, the value of the property had gone up, which was good, but that necessarily doesn't happen all the time. So there are many things which we discuss with our clients, strategies as well on how to go about if they are looking to buy an off the plan property. It's just not like, yeah, okay, you've got a deposit now, yeah, you can put in a deposit, but we actually sit down and we make sure that there's strategies involved. So yes, of course, there's a lot of opportunities out there.
Yeah.
And especially at this particular point of time, there are opportunities that you can even negotiate a good price buying off the plan.
Yeah, amazing. So something you're talking about, like a fear of the unknown of the future. At the moment, there's a lot of concern with the coronavirus, COVID-19, uncertain circumstances. What does the world hold in store for us over the next few months? What advice can you give people looking to purchase now with regards to their finance and getting finance in the current climate that we're in at the moment?
So like buying a property, whether it may be off the plan or if it's something which is already established, there is always risk going to be involved, right? Because you're going to go and you're getting credit. Yeah, you're going to go and you're going to borrow money because there's no certainty. Like in 6 months' time, you might not even have a job. There's no certainty there. Even if people who are in their permanent jobs, there's still no certainty, no security. So what I tell my clients is that, look, tough times don't last forever. Tough people do. Yeah. Mm-hmm. And coronavirus is not here to stay forever. You see, it's all about understanding the risk versus reward. Yeah. So sitting down with a good mortgage broker, with a good banker, and understanding what are the options going to be come close to settlement. Coronavirus has got its pros and cons as well. The pros at the moment are banks are offering money at a very reasonable interest rates, and I don't see those rates going up because it will affect the economy. It has affected the world economy. However, we don't, in Australia, we don't give Australia enough credit. We live in an incredible country. The economy of Australia is still pretty strong compared to some other world economies. Yeah. And the government does a lot of things here which we don't hear about. The media just puts on this fear about what's going to happen. So in all fairness, look, we have to listen to those things, but have a calculative plan in place. And there is a lot of opportunities here now. I feel like for me, I believe that you should not buy a property when I'm going to wait for the property to go down. You should buy when you're ready. Yeah. When you're financially ready, you've got a healthy deposit. You know that this is the amount of money I need to pay for my mortgage, and you can do that. Please go and buy property. Yeah, because it's the best thing. Property is something which makes you money while you sleep. Yeah, whether it be a first home or an investment property. So I'm a big believer of property.
So just quickly, one last question. Speaking on opportunity, I feel that the banks have got really low interest rates at the moment. Is it a good time now, if you are in that position, if you're ready to purchase now?
Yeah. If you're ready to purchase now, money is pretty cheap. Interest rates we are looking at interest rates at around 2.19% fixed for 2 years. And banks are also offering quite a few rebates, cashbacks to the clients because they want people to also buy money from them, because that's how the bank makes money. They sell money, they charge you interest. That's how they make money. So there's really good opportunities. And also, if you're buying a block of land, there are builders out there as well who will be giving you discounts or giving you free upgrades. So it's a great opportunity if you're ready. You can borrow money cheaply. You can go to a builder who will give you upgrades, which could save you another 10, 20 grand, $20,000. So yeah, if you're ready, of course, great opportunity. Interest rates are the lowest in the history of interest rates in Australia. Yeah. So yeah, if you're ready, I'd say just go in.
Yeah. Good stuff. All right, I think that's going to about wrap us up today. Vinay, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
If you guys have any specific questions with regards to your finances or need some specialist mortgage broker advice, Vinay, what's your phone number?
Phone number is 04-873-44352. And guys, yeah, please feel free to give me a call. If I don't answer my phone call, I'm probably speaking to someone. But yeah, please leave a message, or you can even email us at Vinay, VINAY, at copper, COPPER, finance.com.au. One word.
Incoming chat.
Amazing. So if you guys have any other questions for us here at Your Land, with regards to any of our projects, or the River Valley one or the Seventh Bend one that I'm looking after, please do shoot me an email. Look forward to hearing from you, and thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your lunch.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.